This video will show you what to do if Google Chrome is not responding on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. So to fix this, first click on this three dot icon. Now go to extensions and then click on manage extensions. Here you will see all your installed extensions. Now what you need to do is remove any unwanted extensions that you are not using. So simply click on this remove button and then click remove to confirm. Similarly, remove all the unwanted extensions from here. Once you have done that, click the three dot icon again and then this time select settings. Now here you will need to go to the system tab right here. Now here make sure you have turned off this graphic acceleration option, so make sure to turn it off and then click on this relaunch button to restart Chrome. Once you have done that, what you need to do is go to this reset settings option. Now click on this restore settings to their original defaults and then click on reset settings to confirm. This will reset Chrome and hopefully solve your problem. However, if nothing else works, your last option is to go to this privacy and security tab. Now here click on this delete browsing data. Now here make sure you have selected this more option and then select all time from here and then tick all these checkboxes. Once you have done that, click on delete data. Once you have cleared all your browsing data, simply restart Chrome and your issue should be resolved. However, if nothing else works, you can try repairing the Chrome installation. So for that, press Windows plus R to open the run dialog box. Now type in appwiz.cpl and then hit enter. Now in the program and features window, you will first need to find Google Chrome and then click on this repair button. Now click on OK. Now simply follow the on-screen prompts and your issue should be resolved. However, if nothing else works, you can try uninstalling Chrome from here and then reinstalling it again. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.